We're taking a bit of a dive under the sea, folks. Tonight, we're gonna draw the Wright brothers. These guys are majestic aquatic acrobats, and they're pros when it comes to working together. Alexa, next song.
F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere and anytime at all. Down here in the deep blue sea.
F is for fire that burns down the whole town. U's for uranium bombs. N is for no survivors when you...
Plankton, those things aren't what fun is all about. Now, do it like this. F is for friends who do stuff.
Never. That's completely idiotic.
Here, let me help you. F is
Here's
for
the other
friends
guy.
who do stuff together.
He wears
U is for
goggles.
you and me. Try it.
They both wear
N is
goggles.
for anywhere and anytime at all.
Down here in the deep blue sea.
Wait, I don't understand this. I feel all tingly inside. Should we stop?
No, that's how you're supposed to feel.
Well, I like it. Let's do it again.
Okay.
F is for frolic through all the flowers. U is for ukulele. N is for nose picking, sharing gum and sun licking here with my best buddy.
Alexa, play SpongeBob by Avril.
SpongeBob SquarePants Theme by Avril Lavigne on Amazon Music.
Are you ready, kids? Listen to pineapple under the seeds. SpongeBob SquarePants, absorbent and yellow and porous is he. SpongeBob SquarePants, if nautical nonsense be something you wish. SpongeBob SquarePants, then drive on the deck and flop like a fish. SpongeBob
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Are you ready, kids?
Here's his thumb.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants, absorbent and yellow and porous is he. SpongeBob SquarePants, hypnotical nonsense, be something you wish. SpongeBob SquarePants,
Another thing about the Wright brothers,
like a fish. SpongeBob SquarePants,
they're always hovering above a liquid pool, but where they follow wherever they go. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Are you ready, kids? Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants, absorbent and yellow and porous is he. SpongeBob SquarePants, hypnotical nonsense, be something you wish. SpongeBob SquarePants, then drive on the deck and flop like a fish. SpongeBob SquarePants.
I'm drawing this because summer is on its way here, and I'm not going to stop until I draw every last one of these guys. Consider it a gift. And finished. There's the pool that they swim in. And to be honest, I got plans to go to Crest Hollow this year. All I have to do is call them up. Alexa, what is Crest Hollow?
Here's something I found on the web. According to WeddingWire.com, Crest Hollow Country Club is an idyllic wedding venue located in Woodbury, New York.
I love that place. To find out more on how to draw more yokai like this, leave a comment below on which one of them you want me to draw next. And stay cool for the next episode. I'm always ready to swim and I'm never gonna stop. Well, that's one of my ideas for the summer. I'm gonna get soaked as much as possible. Anyhow, that's all you need to know for how to draw the Wright brothers. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stay good, see you later. Good night.